Vend Trenders? We're back. I know you guys have been worried. We're in New York City today.
On a baby moon.
On a baby moon. It's a thing. I didn't know that it was a thing, but it is. Hashtag baby moon 2022. We're right here in front of the Department of Justice. That's where you'll end up if you don't pay your taxes, especially on your vending machine items. Make sure you pay your sales tax. And it turns out there's actually awesome vending machines in New York City. The one we're gonna go to today is an NFT vending machine.
I'm glad we understand this. It's cool.
Some of you might not even know what an NFT is, so I'll give you my explanation of it as I understand it. So NFT stands for non-fungible token. It basically uses the same technology as most cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. And usually NFTs are linked to images and GIFs and digital files. Even a song can be an NFT. And you're basically buying the rights to that image or file or content. But apparently this vending machine has QR codes that you purchase that links the item that you're buying to the actual blockchain. I don't know if you guys have seen some of these NFTs that have sold online, but they're selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars, some of these things, just for a digital file or a digital image. It's nuts. The highest priced item in the machine is $420.69. So if anyone's been day trading, buying any Doge or Tesla, following Elon Musk's tweets, you'll get the joke there. Wow.
And people have actually bought a lot. It's assuming it was full.
$5.99. Look at this one's $420.69. This is the most expensive one. So where's there an explanation of what actually it does? This is a party pigeon. Is it like digital art? What does it do? I guess we could buy it and figure it out. Let's buy one of the $5.99 ones. Here we go. Project Color is an NFT collection of all the colors on the internet. Intrigued? We thought so. There are a total of 16,777,215 colors. Each issued only once. So they took each color and they made an NFT out of it. And then they give you, like, I guess there's probably a card or something in there, but the NFT links it to.
Yeah, it's like having a baseball card from the collection. That's cool.
And then the party pigeons looks like they made 10,000 of them as digital art as well. Okay, and it's on the Solana blockchain.
Probably a surprise.
This one right here looks like it might push out too if we buy it.
159.
Yeah. Okay, ain't no skimmer on this. Oh, it's got a Nyax on it.
Yep, yeah. You were right.
2 for 1, baby. See, when you own vending machines, you start to see little subtleties that no one else sees. Here we go. We got 2 of these Project Colors. There should be 1 unique color inside. QR code. Let's see. Let's see what it does. So we finally got the NFT to work. We had to get registered on the Neon website, and we minted 2 NFTs. So we have 2 special colors. One was a shade of green, one was a shade of blue. And I forgot to tell you, I come to you from the very bench that they filmed the Home Alone scene with the pigeon lady. I'm a new NFT owner, and once these colors start popping, we're gonna be millionaires. So if you guys are ever in New York City, check it out. Project Color, $5.99 per color. You can get your own NFT. So we bought an NFT. We actually got 2, and now we're trying to get some Dogecoin on Wall Street. Just kidding. But we're trying to find that bowl you can rub for good luck. Okay.
That's what you're supposed to do.
We're gonna rub the bull's balls on Wall Street.
If it's lucky.
We found the bull. There's a lot of people over here rubbing this thing's balls for good luck.
Probably.
Look at these people.
Yeah, it's something.
Somebody filming some kind of movie.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are rubbing the balls. Oh my god. Look at this lady. That's unreal. There he is. The Bull of Wall Street. We're at Grand Central Station looking for vending machines. Wow. Look at this.
It's beautiful.
Settle down. Yeah, there are 0 vending machines in here.
That was cool.
That was cool. Getting on the subway and going to Little Italy for dinner.
Sometimes on a crowded street,
So it's our last day here in New York City, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of information on where we're staying. So we're in Chinatown on this trip, and we're at a place called Hotel Mimosa, and it is in the heart of Chinatown, and it's been great. Everyone here is very friendly and welcoming. I mean, we're really just right down here in the middle of everything. We got bakeries, markets. They sell a lot of fresh seafood and stuff right off the street. A lot of meat markets. You got all kinds of little shops. and you're really just like kind of immersed into another culture. I think with COVID, the Asian community kind of felt the brunt of a lot of negativity, and it's just kind of cool to come here and be able to give back. Alright, so I just asked the guy at the front desk where we can get some coffee. And there's a little bakery over here. He said they have coffee as well as some kind of pastry with mochi inside. That's like the best in Chinatown, so I'm gonna get one of those for sure. It's called Mana 2 Bakery. It's not far from our hotel. It's right around the corner. Oh my gosh. I thought mochi ice cream was good. This is amazing. It's still hot. It's like red bean paste and a mochi sesame roll. It's, oh my gosh, so good. Alright, bye. So it's our last day in the city. We're going to
The Edge.
The Edge. It's an observatory where you can see the entire city. New York. Did you hear him? Oh my gosh. There's a bridge. This doesn't even look real. I got my hoodie. We're at the Chelsea Market at Los Tacos #1. Somebody's been here before.
Very
It's a
cool.
favorite place. Getting ready to order?
This is great.
Alright.
This is the pork, I think.
Alright. Let me know how it tastes. Oh yeah. This is the steak taco. Amazing. This is the pork taco. We got 4 of them. I think they were like $4 each. Really good. French fries, which Rachel says are bomb.com.
They're amazing. Kimchi French fries. Great.
Oh yeah, we don't need ketchup on this. What am I at, McDonald's? Holy crap. Wow.
So good. So good. It's like spicy, crunchy. I don't know
This is where they do the parade right here. Where they do all that lip singing and all that. I don't know. Can we go in here real quick? got that TGI Fridays. Felt better. I don't think I've ever been to TGI Fridays.
I don't know if I have it.
So we're getting ready to fly out of the Newark airport. And luckily for everybody here, there is a Kylie Jenner vending machine. It's at $152. Or you could just hop on the subway, go to Canal Street, and get all this stuff for $5. Yeah, I'm curious how many people actually buy this stuff. Hey, there's some electronics. So lightning cable is $25.
For mostly.
I mean, I think if you get it from Apple, it's like $25.
Probably, yeah. Yeah, look, not bad. 27.
$27 for headphones, JLab.
All the way up to 300.
Wow. In the seen a lot of these in airports. Got a lot of health food stuff. Expiration date 3/30.
Yeah, how often do you think that come in here?
Probably pretty often.
Coconut chia pudding.
Or you could just hop on the subway, go to Canal Street, and get all this stuff for $5.